old time. He said that the school was totally different, it was unique, and he's telling that it was explained in the school that all the children used to come at one place in one building, and they used to enjoy, they used to do the homework there together, they used to play together, they used to sing together, they used to go and they used to do the classwork, homework, everything, and there used to be one teacher, human being, who used to explain with a lot of sense of humor. So this is all about the school. He has explained. In the meantime, what happened? Mother had interrupted in the middle, and she had called. Mrs. Jones had called Tommy as well as Maggie. That was the time for their school, and she had suggested Maggie to go to the school. So she had gone to the school subsequently, and what happened? The mechanical teacher was ready, because mechanical teacher was having the time set for the all subjects, for all periods, and from the morning to evening, when whatever they had to study, they had put the routine and timetable. At the same time, it was from Monday to Saturday. The school days were Monday to Saturday, and that day the mechanical teacher wanted to teach arithmetic, that is addition of the proper fraction. And he started, and with a heavy heart, Maggie was learning, and with a sigh, she said, okay, let me do. But she was lost in the thinking about the school, about the old school, because she was very much impressed about those schools which was existing long ago, especially during the old days. So she was very much lost about that school, and she said at last how beautiful those schools were, and there was how much fun they used to get. That's why the lesson is here, the fun they had, the enjoyment, the fun the students used to enjoy at that particular age, especially long back. So the writer wants to say about the comparison between the futuristic education system and the existing education system. So this is all about the children, that the moral of this lesson is that children can enjoy the education in the presence of the human being properly, the real teacher, and there will be a live, delightful teaching. So this is all about that we should enjoy. And at last, as the Elizabeth I had very nicely quoted that electronic cannot create compassion, computer cannot generate comradeship, and satellite cannot transmit tolerance. So we should believe in the real education system. This computer cannot take the place of the human beings. It cannot be replaced. Human beings cannot be replaced. The values of human teachers cannot be replaced by the computer. So this is all about this lesson, and we should enjoy the present existing educational systems as you are enjoying. Now you can see during this break and lockdown period how you are getting problem. Though we are sending our videos and we are sending our online education, but you can't be satisfied much more as you are happy in the classroom session. So this is the difference between the present existing education system and the futuristic educational system. Thank you, children. I hope you must have understood the concept, the fun they had, the enjoyment those old children used to take. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.